History repeats itself. And on YouTube, history channels are repeating views. Millions of them. Why? Because people crave stories of the past told in a way that feels alive. With Video Express AI, you can give them exactly that. I typed out a short passage about World War II, and within seconds, it became a cinematic scene with narration, characters, and motion. Then I uploaded an old black and white photo, and Video Express brought it to life, speaking in over 100 languages with realistic emotion. That's when I saw the opportunity. Educators, creators, storytellers, anyone can use this tool to turn history into content that connects, and the offer is irresistible. No subscriptions, no limits, one payment, unlimited creativity. The letter you are reading, or in this case, the video you are watching, is the bridge to results. Step across it.